This is when you know you've arrived. You come to Paris, you drive through these gorgeous iron gates on this gravel drive, past this magnificent fountain, and you end up at the St. James Hotel Paris. This is the most beautiful structure and a chateau in the heart of Paris. I love this hotel. Here I am in Paris at the St. James Hotel. It's one of my favorite hotels, and there's been a massive renovation done over the past couple of years. And they've done a beautiful job of taking this historic building. This was built at the turn of the century, early 1900s, as a school for boys. And those must have been some rich boys, because it's a fabulous building. And it's on a beautiful piece of property here in the middle of Paris, which is unusual for a hotel. They have gardens around it and outdoor space. It's fabulous, and a renovation has been done perfectly of this historic structure. Gorgeous. This is the Grand Suite here at the St. James Paris. A beautiful room. You walk into this vestibule with these gorgeous floors. There's a powder room here, and then a proper living room that is really everything I'd want in a suite. It has great seating. There's a table and 2 chairs for an intimate dinner. It really is beautiful. The gorgeous minibar, everything you want, these beautiful fabrics. And then you come into this gorgeous bedroom. They have outdone themselves on the execution of this bedroom. Once again, the perfect scale of a bedroom with a king-size bed, with the 2 perfect night tables, all the electronic plug-ins and things that you need. And then you have a desk, a large closet, everything you'd want in a suite where you're really going to stay and enjoy this. This is like the ultimate apartment in Paris. It has a fabulous bathroom, double sinks, beautiful marble, heated towels, great tub, and then a huge shower in that. This is the perfect Parisian apartment to have in Paris. I'm in the restaurant Belle Fleur here at the St. James Hotel. It's beautiful flower. I had a dinner last night here that was unbelievable. The most delicious, the most wonderful. It was, I think it was 7 or 8 courses of the most beautiful executed food you've ever had. It's a Michelin-rated restaurant. As you can see, it is gorgeous. It's been recently renovated and redesigned. Beautiful fabrics, beautiful colors, all to the spin of organic flowers and nature. Love this restaurant.